come to concluding part of kitchen hygiene. In our last class, we looked at importance of kitchen hygiene, why it is necessary to practice kitchen hygiene, and how to improve on our kitchen hygiene. Today's class will be based on ways of maintaining kitchen hygiene. Relax and learn more. How to maintain kitchen hygiene. As the place where food is prepared and stored, kitchen serves as one of the most important functions in a home. This means you should maintain high levels of cleanliness in the space and give it a deep clean once or twice a month. For most people, cleaning the kitchen means keeping utensils clean, but there is more to it than just utensils. It means maintaining proper hygiene and handling food well. Ways of maintaining kitchen hygiene include the following. 1. Cleanliness of the cook. 2. Cleanliness of the cooking utensils and the equipment. 3. Cleanliness of the kitchen and its surrounding. 4. Proper handling of food. And lastly, proper refuse disposal. Let's check them out one by one. Cleanliness of the cook. The cook is the most important factor in kitchen hygiene. He or she makes every other things work. He or she sets the standards of hygiene and ensure that those standards are kept. The cleanliness of the cook involves 1. The cook must be clean at all times. 2. The cook must wash his or her hands regularly. She must keep her fingernails well trimmed and clean. The cook must cover his or her head before he or she begins to cook. The cook must always wear clean clothes and apron. And also, the final one, the cook must avoid coughing, body splashing, or sneezing in the kitchen. Touching your nose or touching teeth, ears, and hair must be avoided. Cleanliness of cooking utensils and kitchen surrounding. The first thing to do, the kitchen floor and all the surface should be cleaned before and after the use to prevent flies and rats. Cover and dispose of kitchen refuse immediately. Wash plates and utensils as soon as possible. Cleanliness of cooking utensils and kitchen surrounding also include kitchen napkin or clothes should be washed and cleaned immediately after use. Covering the windows and doors of the kitchen with nets to keep flies out. Removing cobwebs, watching the windows, the floors, the cupboard, and the stove every week. And lastly, covering leftover foods and storing them away properly. Proper handling of food. All foods, if handled properly, can be safe. For instance, food poisoning do not have to happen at all and can be avoided by following simple guidelines. Do you know that handling of food can take place during the following: cooking, cooling, preparation, purchasing, serving, and storage of food. Let's look at general safe food handling tips that can help you to be able to handle food properly. Number one, wash your hand before and after handling food. Number two, use paper towels to clean up during food preparation and serving. Number four, have food ready not any longer than necessary before serving time. Number five, watch any utensils that falls to the floor. Number seven, store tableware away from dust. And finally, be careful when lifting cover from hot food. Refuse disposal at home. Household refuse can be managed in different ways. The first one, a good refuse bin must be strong and durable. That is the one that will last very long. It should have a well-fitting cover. You can see from our image there. Refuse bin at home must be emptied irregularly. They should be cleaned with soaping water to which disinfectant has been added. Refuse bin should be left to dry in the sun before further use. Thanks for watching and listening. Hope you enjoy the class. In summary, keeping your kitchen clean is not just a hygiene issue, but it is also a safety issue. Where there is a lot that gives into keeping a kitchen clean, you don't have to do everything at the same time. Some chores, like cleaning dishes and surface, have to be done daily, but there are others that can be done on a weekly or monthly basis. To ensure that you maintain cleanliness in your kitchen, you can split these chores and handle them bit by bit every day. Remember, a clean kitchen means a healthy kitchen. Stay clean to stay healthy. See you in the next class.